Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to completely uninstall WPS Office in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Control Panel. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window before we proceed. Once it's here, please click on Open, this one, to continue. So here you would be able to see a window like this, and if your window doesn't view like this, simply proceed with view by, go with this large icons. Once you have set it, please proceed to the programs and features. In my case, it is being placed at the first row next to mail. So please click on it, and eventually you will be able to see a window like this where you can see a list of programs and features being installed. Now, since the target of this video is to remove the WPS, then please click on it and moved at the upper left side of that you can see there an option called uninstall or change. So please click on it. And now if your account control would ask you to say yes, proceed, you can start on the uninstallation. Now here it asks you to confirm interaction and the removal of this WPS. Just select among of this, or you can simply state other reasons and you can type your reasons here. You can also go with this one. I have installed other software. So go with uninstall and continue uninstalling. And that way you would be able to remove the program. It might take some time, but you just have to wait until the uninstallation process will be finished. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.